Yes people, what's happening? Welcome back to another video on the channel. It's Southampton away today. After two poor performances after the international break, the Blues will be looking to seek a victory in the Premier League to kickstart us again. Obviously Wednesday night's disappointment of 3-1 loss against Madrid has put a dampener on the season, and obviously the 4-1 last weekend against Brentford, all poor performances, but we got a chance to redeem ourselves today with 3 points to Southampton. Southampton are a funny side. They're pretty much on the beach, to be honest. They're safe, they're not getting relegated, and it's been shown in recent performances. I believe they've lost like 5 out of their last 6, so they're not in good form at all. So fingers crossed we can put in a performance, and we are really better away, if we're honest. If you look through the games, we are a better side away, so fingers crossed this game comes at the right time. And Tuchel's had a word because he was very angry the other night, rightly so. It was just an awful performance again. And yeah, more than anything today, we do need a performance to show that we can still do things this season. Even though Champions League is over, there's still so much to fight for. Certainly with the top 4 race, and then the FA Cup semi-final next weekend against Palace. So yeah, it's a chance today, and yeah, we obviously know Southampton have got a lot of threat, especially none other than James Ward-Prowse's free kick. He scored another one last weekend in a draw at Leeds, so yeah, that's always dangerous, but we need to step up. It'll be interesting to see what team he goes with. I don't know, would he give Lukaku a game? I'm not sure. Like, Havertz can't just keep playing every game, and yeah, it's got to be, players got to look at this game and think, right, I've got to stake my place for the Bernabeu. Even though the tie is basically done, and Tuchel said it himself, you still go in with a little bit of hope that anything can happen, especially without away goals. But yeah, today's focus is another different calibre of level, and yeah, we're making the couple of hour trip down to the south coast today, and hopefully take 3 points back up. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'll bring you guys along. Let's do this. I'll go 2-1 Chelsea, but that isn't very optimistic from me at all. I think I'm going to struggle today against a well-oiled Southampton team, and yeah, big news, obviously they haven't got Brozier, so that helps us a little bit. But yeah, let's see what happens, and join me up the Chills. Let's do this.
Demolition.
Thank you very much. Come on. They know exactly what we need. See our kind of back, see why it's at. Show's gonna win Champions League. Oh, see you. Chelsea, 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 Chelsea,
Just got back from the South Coast. Chelsea 6, Southampton 0, and it was a demolition job at the South Coast. What a performance from the Blues from start to finish. That intensity, that desire, and getting the goals was the main thing today. And that comes with 3 points. So yeah, excellent from the Blues all round. What a day it was down at South Coast. Lovely weather, good day out. Obviously, even better because Chelsea won. That's the main thing. But yeah, great day out, and yeah, an excellent performance. And yeah, hopefully we can kick on now as we look forward to Palace in the semi-final, and obviously the big one against Real Madrid, even though that is really done, to be honest. Like I said earlier in the video, still, even after a 6-0 demolition job at the South Coast, I still don't believe we've got any chance to the Bernabeu. So yeah, you never know. Football is weird, and if it does happen, could it be one of these things where you go on to win it? You don't know. But yeah, I'm not confident going into that one. However, you look at the positives today, every player played their part, and that's what you want. It was a really good team performance. And yeah, goals for the front three. The front three linked really well. Alonso played well. Kovacic probably his best performance this season. And Kante done what he had to do. And then solid at the back. They only had 1 or 2 half chances. But yeah, all round brilliant day. And yeah, seeing Chelsea win 3 points, it doesn't get better than that, does it? But yeah, demolition job at the South Coast. And yeah, we move on to Real Madrid on Tuesday. And yeah, let's see what happens. You never know, early goal, and you don't know. But it was nice to be able to give the players a bit of a rest. Like, you can take off the likes of Havertz and Silva, who've played basically every minute for such a long period of time. So yeah, important to give them a rest. But let's see what happens Tuesday. But yeah, I'll see you boys Tuesday, and then another busy week with obviously Real Madrid on Tuesday, and then Crystal Palace next Sunday. So yeah, we keep ticking over and we keep doing the business. 6-0 today, and yeah, we take that a long day, but it was worth it. Up the Chelsea, move on, come on.